Hi, this is Sharisa Chan with the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to enable and disable the Meet link visibility in Google Classroom. Log into Google Classroom and select the appropriate class. Once in, click on the Settings cogwheel in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down to the General Settings section. Within this section, you will notice that there is an area dedicated to Google Meet. In the bottom of this section, you will see the words Visible to Students. Here, you can enable and disable visibility of the Google Meet link in your Google Classroom. Click the button here to enable visibility of the Meet link within your Google Classroom. Be sure to press Save in the upper right-hand corner. The banner at the top of your Google Classroom stream will display the Google Meet link along with the Google Meet icon. When you see this Google Meet icon, the Meet link is visible to students. To disable the visibility of the Meet link, click the Settings cogwheel again. Scroll down to the General Settings section and click on the Visible to Students button to disable visibility of the Google Meet link. Don't forget to press Save in the upper right-hand corner. The icon displayed here indicates that the Meet link is no longer visible to students.